What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another banger of a video. We got the Civic right here in the garage, so you guys could see. We're gonna be putting on the seat harness on because we need it, and we don't really have a seat belt, so we're gonna be installing that for today's video. Plus, we need it for the upcoming track day we got in a couple weeks, so we gotta start preparing the Civic. I do have the harness over here. Let me open this up. We're gonna finally be able to use this box that we won at the doghouse event. So I have this Brom seat harness. It's a 5.3 inch. So we're gonna be installing that in the Civic. I'm gonna start removing the seat belts and all that, so I don't want that to be all waving around and smacking while I'm driving, so I gotta get rid of that for now. But yeah, should be a quick, easy, simple install. We don't have a harness bar, but we'll figure it out on how we tie it down. I see people do it like under the seat. That's what my buddy did, so we're gonna be doing that as well. So I'm gonna take out this. I already opened it, obviously, but yeah, it's pretty nice though. It's got this like little rubber thing right here. It's pretty clean. I was gonna get either black or charcoal gray, doesn't matter. We got this Brom sticker. We're about to smack it right here on the Civic. No, I'm just kidding. We ain't gonna sticker bomb this. But yeah, I'm gonna fully open it, see how it's gonna all go out. It's pretty nice. Got these paddings on here. It's pretty clean. See how easy it is. But yeah, this is the 5-point. It's the one that goes around your cock. Or your vajayjay, whatever you have. No offense to anyone, but yeah, we're gonna be installing this. We got a couple things we need to install on the Civic, but we'll be doing that next week. What else? I think that's it. And then the Civic should be good. Fresh alignment, we're gonna be doing that as well. Adjusting a bit of the camber on the rear at least, so it won't rub. But yeah, let's get started. Before I get more started on the install, I got my helmet right here. I just got this GoPro strap on it yesterday, so it's gonna be good for the POV videos in here. And yeah, now we're gonna get started. Alright, now that he's out of the way, fuck those. I got the harness all laid out right here. Honestly, I have no idea how this all ties up, but we're gonna figure it out as we go. So I'm gonna just like lay how, you know, how it's supposed to look, and then go from there. I don't know if it ties down to the seat mounts. Excuse the mess. But we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna start doing that. Alright, so I'm gonna put this strap through this hole over here. I'm gonna put this other strap where it goes through over here. So it goes in. Alright, there you go. Just like that, we're gonna call it a wrap. Now, and then I know obviously these ones go over to the side pockets. Alright, can you guys see? Oh, if it fits though. Figured out how you take it out. Something like this. Alright, so I got it set up on how it's supposed to go, and first off, damn, this should look sick as fuck. I got a thing in right here. Let me close it up real quick. But damn, this shit looks like a fucking race car, bro. But yeah, I got it all set up on how it's supposed to go. I don't know how I'm gonna tie these ends. I was gonna see if it bolts into like where the seat hole goes. I know I need a harness bar before you guys start commenting. But I don't have that, and I don't want to get that because I plan on getting the half cage soon. I don't know how soon, but I don't want to get a harness bar and then be stuck with it, you know, because I know it's probably not gonna sell quick. So yeah, we're gonna raw dog it like this. My buddy's doing it like this, so I'm gonna just do it. If I fly out the window, I fly out the window in style, so fuck it. So yeah, that's my game plan on tying the seats down, if you guys didn't know. By the way, don't use this video as a tutorial or anything. This is just me doing my own my little autocross track prep thingy, just to be able to run the event. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. I got the Milwaukee, best tools in the game. We'll do the first bolt on camera. There you go. But yeah, I'm gonna see if it goes in there, and if it does, shit, I don't even think I think it's too thick. Oh, it's too girthy. So we're gonna go for another game plan. I'm gonna hit up my friend now. Yo, quick side quest of the night. Shout out Advance Auto for closing down, but no updates on the harness. So what's going on is I don't have any mounts, but I just ordered some L brackets for me to clip these hooks on. I'm gonna be putting those L brackets right here, and I'm probably gonna cross them over, and then also the L brackets over here. I'm gonna put these over there and clip them. And then for the one for your crotch, I'm gonna buy a nut so it could go under the seat post itself, or the seat mount. So that's the game plan, just waiting on it for it to come in. So I'm gonna pick up this video whenever those come in. It should be like sometime next week. It is currently Friday, January 17th, so by the 22nd maybe it should be here. But yeah, quick haul on the Advance Auto. We got some Moog upper control arms, or I mean ball joints, lower ball joints, some LEDs, this module for the hyper flashing for the Civic. These thingies, it's like a dual, you can put 2 fuses on them, air filter for the CRV, 6 spark plugs, this wheel cleaner because I left mine at the self car wash, and a windshield wiper replacement, some gloves. What else? I think that's it. But yeah, I'll pick up this video next week when I get everything in.
Few moments later.
All right guys, it's been a whole week later. I got some seat mounts in, hopefully, or harness mounts. Hopefully that works and solves all our problems for the harness. I got them on eBay. They're like 10 bucks, bro. The worst part is that it was over in Whittier, which isn't far from me at all. It's literally like a 40-minute drive, and it took a whole week to get here. But we got them now. Hopefully they work out. I got 4 of these mounts, so they better work out. If not, no more track day. I'm throwing the whole car away, and I'm gonna sell everything, because I don't know. But yeah, hopefully these mount. I'm gonna go get a blade because this is being a headache. I'll be back. All right, got the mounts right here. This is how they look. So I'll show you guys the game plan. So my plan is to put 2 of these right here. Ooh, hopefully that works out. So put 2 of these right here, and then tie it over here. Another plan is to cross them. I'm probably gonna just go straight back, but I don't know how that's gonna work. And then another 2 are gonna go over here. Ooh, probably gonna go like this. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to go like this, and if anything, for the side ones, or we'll see how this one's gonna go. But yeah, we're gonna do something like that in order for the side ones to clip in. But yeah, we'll see what we do. So I'm gonna start hooking these up. Let me see. I'd go like this. Ooh, barely. We'll see how we do. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so we got it mounted up. This is how the setup is, and same with over here and over there. And then the bottom, I have one of these hooks that the harness comes in with, and then the other end, it's I have a nut on it for this one right here. Put my wallet over there. But yeah, that's the setup. Right now I'm currently working on my fire extinguisher mount. So I have my fire extinguisher there, and then this honed fire extinguisher plate that I got. It's for the EK chassis. So I have these holes lined up where I'm gonna mount it. Comes with only 2 though, so we'll see how we do that. I'm gonna just do them like across. I got my drill right here somewhere, right here. So I'm gonna be drilling into those right now, and then start mounting the mount itself onto the plate, and then yeah, and should be good for now. I've been needing to put this on. I've had it for like almost a year already, but yeah, I'm gonna get to that right now. All right guys, this interior is starting to come out. I did a quick cleanup, just finished the fire extinguisher mount. Harness is fully on now. Now it's time to show you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Pretty happy with how it came out. You know, the harness, the mounts itself, the fire extinguisher. Check that out, check that out. Pretty sturdy. But yeah, harness. Pretty clean. Race car as fuck. You know, eventually it's gonna look better once we have this half cage right here. But yeah, we got the cargo box. Still gotta fill it up with stuff. My helmet with the little Doza sticker in the back. But yeah, it's coming out. We're pretty much almost there. I already recorded the next video because I wasn't trying to waste time. Right now we are currently, by the time I upload this, we are 1 week away from the event, and we don't really need much. Next video is the self-rim brace install, so be a lookout for that. It'll probably be posted within the same week. Right now it's currently Friday, January 24th, 4:40 p.m. to be exact. Yeah, this track event's gonna be pretty good. Gonna have my pops there and my brother. Pops is just gonna be spectating. Brother's gonna be there, obviously, to help me out in case something goes wrong. Shout out Doza Garage. We're gonna be taking the CRV right there, because obviously I don't have a passenger seat, and I'm gonna take my pops with me too, so he could you know, be a little involved, I guess. But it should be a good event. Just doesn't need much. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.